In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to slice a photo in Canva. Slicing a photo is a great way to create dynamic layouts, stylish grids, or eye-catching social posts by breaking one image into multiple parts while keeping everything aligned. Start by opening Canva and heading to the design where your photo lives. Click directly on the image so it's selected. You'll know it's selected when the top toolbar appears across your screen. With the image highlighted, look to that top toolbar and choose Edit or Edit Image. This opens a panel on the left side with all of your editing options. In that left panel, scroll down until you find the Apps section, then click See All to view the full list. From the apps that appear, select the Slice feature. As soon as you open it, you'll see the slice controls, and your image on the canvas will act as a live preview so you can experiment before committing. Begin with the count slider. This determines how many slices your photo will be divided into. A lower count gives you just a few bold pieces, while a higher count creates a more intricate mosaic. Start modestly so you can clearly see what's changing, then increase the count until you reach the complexity you want. Next, use the offset slider to control how the slices are shifted. Think of offset as the amount of displacement across the image. Small adjustments often make a big difference in spacing and rhythm. Then move to the position slider, which affects where the slicing pattern sits on your photo. If your subject is off-center, a subtle position change can keep important details from being cut awkwardly. Keep your eyes on the live preview as you tweak count, offset, and position. This real-time feedback helps you fine-tune the look without guesswork. If something feels too busy, reduce the count or dial back the offset. If a key element sits on a seam, nudge the position slightly to get a cleaner result. Take a moment to balance aesthetics with readability, especially if you plan to place text around or between the slices. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save to finalize the edit. Canva will slice the image into those pieces, preserving the arrangement you previewed so you can continue designing with confidence. That's all you need. Thanks for watching, and